Hi guys, thank you for taking the time in reviewing this course about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Altcoin Masterclass, a guide for trading and investing. In this course, I will tell you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, including trading and investing. All of it in this class. If you don't have any experience in trading or investing, don't worry. I am here to show you and help you get started. I will tell you all the tools that you need to start trading, including buying your first cryptocurrency in popular exchanges like Coinbase, Bittrex, and Binance. We will discuss about short-term and long-term trading by using technical analysis and fundamentals. I will show you entry and exit points like when to buy and sell for maximum profit. In this course, you will know where to store your coins to prevent people from hacking it. And finally, I will teach you some tips that professional traders use in trading that other people won't teach you. This includes how I day trade and get 60% return on investment on certain coins on an uptrending market, or more than 600% up to few thousand% if you do long-term trading. After this course, it is not the end. I will post updates in Udemy and you will be part of my group in Discord, where I am going to post weekly updates regarding cryptocurrency fundamentals and also technical analysis about certain coins that has potential for breakouts that will give you huge profit. Now, if you didn't understand what I said, this is the perfect opportunity for you to learn. In the beginning, I will tackle about the basics of cryptocurrency, and by the end part, you will learn and be exposed on how professional traders trade. Thank you for listening and enjoy the course. See you!